सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं करने वाली हूँ पॉडकास्ट मेरी छोटी बहन टुट्टू का। ये बहुत ही नेक्स्ट लेवल की इंट्रोवर्ट है। आप यहाँ हैं तो ये यहाँ होगी, ठीक है। तो मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि इसके अंदर की जो बातें हैं वो थोड़ा सा एक्सप्रेस करिए और थोड़ी सी एक्सप्रेसिव बने। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पॉडकास्ट। तो गाइस, पहला क्वेश्चन मैं टुट्टू से पूछना चाहूँगी कि आप इतनी इंट्रोवर्ट क्यों हैं?
I have no idea. Maybe because I don't have any siblings or a joint family.
पॉइंट हट, लात मार के भगाओ इसको, हट। सॉरी गाइस। मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि आप को कैसी टाइप्स की मूवी पसंद है?
I like action movies, thrillers, mystery, romance.
एंड द कॉमेडी वन?
No, it's not my type of thing.
ओके, एज यू मेंशन्ड रोमांस,
Yes.
आर यू रोमांटिक?
A little, but only enough to read about it and look at. I don't want to experience it myself
व्हाई?
because I'm not mature enough right now.
She is not mature enough to do so, but
Yes.
she is mature enough to know all the thing about it. So to my knowledge, the people who knows about the thing are mature enough to do so.
Yes.
Do you agree with it?
Yes, but I personally think that I need to interact to more people.
Okay.
What about you?
What?
I am the podcaster. Okay. So what do you want to know about me?
Why are you choosing not to have a boyfriend? I mean, you can.
I know. Of course I can have a boyfriend.
Yes, but you
I
choose.
I can have a boyfriends because I don't want to go into a temporary relationship. मतलब for the lifetime I want to be with a one person. Either it is boyfriend, husband, whatever it is, with one person. And I know it in today's generation it is not possible to be with the same person in whole life. It's little complicated to me.
Do you want to date before getting married?
Of course.
Nice.
Do you want to have a boyfriend right now?
No.
Why?
As I told,
Later?
I'm not mature enough. But later maybe. After 21, 22 years old.
So what are the point of views on religion?
I don't hate religion, but I don't want to participate in it either. I just want to be at peace with knowing that I can be at peace without a god. I can have morals without a god.
You can have ethics without a god.
Yes, exactly.
So do you feel any energy, positive energy?
Yes, I think there may be an energy which created everything, but until and unless science proves it, and
So logistic, super logistic person
I
I've met
see
in my
that
life.
thing with my own eyes, I will not believe.
Okay, next question. What about your thoughts on gender?
I think gender is a social construct.
This is the exact line in a B.Ed concept, guys. I read that. Seriously, gender is a social construct that some fool people created it. I don't know which kind of joy they get from such constructivist nature, but this is hell.
I get the difference that there is a difference between man and woman,
Okay.
but that does not mean that one is superior to another.
Okay.
Just because a man has a thing between his legs and we have another, that does not mean that we are less inferior to them in any ways.
And strength का बात is different. Strength का कोई बात नहीं करना. actually तो same हो सकता है ना. हर चीज में medicine में भी women centric कोई medicine नहीं बनाता. हर चीज में medicine होता है. Research नहीं होता. Like literally half of the population is women.
But still ज़्यादा regard men को ही किया जाता है.
Because our nation is a male dominated.
Yes, patriarchal.
Do you want to say anything on patriarchy?
I absolutely despise patriarchy and I want it to end so badly. I oppose it.
औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन
Yes,
होती
I
है.
have heard about it.
Have you ever experienced about thing?
No, I have not. Feminism also wants equality for both men and women. अब आदमी ही फेमिनिज्म को हेट कर रहे हैं, सो फेमिनिस्ट करे क्या? अपोज तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Men, who supports feminism criticize as like a women pleasing person, and it is not considered an alpha male person.
I absolutely hate the concept of alpha males because what even is that? What is alpha male?
Okay.
I think a real man is someone who knows how to be a good human. I don't care about being a man or woman, just be a good person and that's all.
Learn something from this little girl, guys, and have some same to be a alpha man and woman also. Be a human first. Being human is the key of the good environment and a good society. Okay, I just show your bookshelf, and in all books, most of them are romantic one. Are you a romantic person, no?
Yes.
Why are you laughing? Okay, so what is romance for you?
Romance for me is devotion.
What is love for you?
Devotion, worship, and being truthful to each other.
Do you support marriages?
Yes, marriage as an institution, but
No. Acha, why did you say just institutional?
because I think in India especially, marriages are a way to bind and oppress women. You know I was going to that. You know I was going-
Her whole concept comes from
Feminism.
feminism, which is good.
I
that
want
people
to
are
do change. I
aware.
want to bring change.
Okay. Which type of change do you want?
I want to create awareness and I want to create unapologetic women. कि हम हैं. Why are we living in fear? Just because of men. Just because. Just because.
Next question: if you get a chance, to remove 5 concepts from today's social constructivist society, which 5 points do you want to remove?
Patriarchy.
Huh?
Hmm,
Second?
I think hate for LGBTQ people.
After next
Caste
question,
hate.
पे guys.
Caste hate.
Hmm.
Thinking one caste is superior than the other. Yeah, the politicians, the अनपढ़ गवार politicians. Controversial हो सकता है ये बात, but blindly following politicians. आपका व्यू क्या है? आप कौन सा 5 चीज बताना चाहेंगी?
मैं सोसाइटी से 5 चीज क्या हटाना चाहूंगी? पहला तो ये कंसेप्ट कि बच्चे पैदा करना कंपलसरी है।
Good point.
मेरे
Very good
पॉइंट लो मैं बताता हूँ। जब आपकी औकात नहीं है बच्चे पालने की, आपकी माइंडसेट नहीं है बच्चे पालने की, मत पैदा करिए। आप इंजॉय करिए, बिना बच्चे पैदा किए भी कर सकते हैं।
Exactly, that can.
I think I don't need more points. I will manage for more points for the society that should be removed from this disgusting society. The second one would be compulsion of marriages.
अच्छा हटाना.
Compulsion of marriages.
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay.
If you want to marry, marry. If you don't want, that should be okay. Third point would be seeing parenthood on their own child. Did you get it?
जताना कि हम बहुत sacrifice किए तुम्हारे लिए and everything like
This is what I mean. Okay. Fourth one is women, fake feminism. Fifth number would be people to be aware, to open their eyes over politician, over gender, over casteism, over anything. Think from here, not from there. Yeah, you think what I'm trying to say. Fifth.
Yes, I loved it.
Let's proceed further.
Yes.
What would you add 5 points in the society that is much needed in this time?
Reservation हटाना.
गांव का जो कोर जातिवाद है ना, उससे मिली नहीं
I
है।
hate मतलब यहाँ नहीं होता है, so मैंने देखा नहीं है but मुझे नहीं पसंद. I know,
After all,
I know,
you are in
college में-
India. You
Yeah.
have to suffer it, and you became the ढीठ।
आप बताइए.
करना चाहती हूँ, रिमूव निकल जाए बार-बार, कि अगर कोई इंसान है उसको उसके काम के बेसिस पे जज ना किया जाए।
Yes.
तीसरा पॉइंट आप बोलिए।
LGBTQ में.
LGBT कम्युनिटी को उनका हक और सम्मान मिलना चाहिए। फोर्थ पॉइंट, लाइक अगर आप किसी भी वर्क प्लेस पे हो, तो आप किसी भी बैकग्राउंड से आए, रिलीजन से आए, गरीबी से आए, जैसे भी आए, दोनों इक्वल हैं और दोनों को इक्वल सम्मान मिलना चाहिए, वो चीज़ हटनी चाहिए। फिफ्थ पॉइंट मैं ऐड करती हूँ, जो भी प्रोसेस है पहले हर डिपार्टमेंट का प्रोसेस ठीक करो तुम लोग। बच्चे परेशान हो जा रहे हैं, पेशेंट परेशान हो जा रहे हैं, सालों ठीक करो तुम लोग। परेशान हो गए हैं हम लोग, पागल बैठे हम लोग।
पर हेल्थ केयर का भी
अरे वाहिया
बहुत
फील्ड का, एक ही फील्ड का
आप
भविष्य
इतना
चमक रहा है
experience
गाइस,
वाले।
जो धर्म गुरु है। अभी मेरे को जेल भेजा जाएगा, बट
ओह यस एग्जैक्टली। जो पूकी बाबा चल रहे थे,
पापा जी मैं तो ये हो गई हूँ।
आपसे कोई प्यार क्यों करेगा?
उसका आई लव यू उसके मुंह पे फेंक के मारो गाइस। और रात के बज चुके हैं 12 और हमारे ज्ञान का सागर भर चुका है और बाहर ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है गाइस। अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट बात करेंगे LGBT कम्युनिटी पे। आपके क्या ओपिनियन है उस पर?
प्यार का हक सबको मिलना चाहिए।
अगर कोई बहन है आपकी, वो बोले कि मैं घर में दामाद नहीं बहू लेके आऊंगी तो
एब्सोल्युटली
लाफी।
नहीं, आई वुड आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम। मेरे को क्या दिक्कत है? आई सपोर्ट देम एज एन एलाई। Everyone is equal and I want everyone to be treated as equal. That's it. I don't.
Which type of person you keep around yourself?
Educated and open-minded. What about you?
Maintain ethics in disagreement. If our decision looks like this, still he or me should respect each other.
Yes.
That type of person I want in my life.
Her
Type of-
future husband who is watching this, note down everything.
Note down, buddy, note down.
And describe your type in men.
I like a man who is a man. A man, literally a man. If he should be a man, not a crybaby. Like ये हो गया, मैं नखरा दिखा। तू झेल भाई नखरा, क्यों नहीं झेलेगा? तू झेलेगा मेरा नखरा। If you can't tolerate it, you are not a man for me. If you are a man, you will tolerate my all the nakras.
Reasonable demand. Reasonable.
Reasonable. It's lovable.
Oh, nice.
Manly man, not a girly man. I like that kind of person. Who's serious for public, but kooky for me. Kooky.
Oh, so cute.
Are you excited for my wedding?
Yes, I want to wear new beautiful lehengas, makeup, dance.
मेरी शादी में ये एक्सट्रोवर्ट बनने वाली है गाइस। इसके लिए तो लड़का मैं ही ढूंढ लाऊंगी, जो ये खुद पसंद करके आएगी, उसी को बोल दूंगी कि मैं लाई हूँ। इस लेवल के थॉट के बाद हमारी चॉइसेस आम लड़कों से तो मैच हो नहीं पाती।
Yeah, standards are very high.
I don't
Yeah, I
want
don't
mama.
like mama.
I don't like mama.
Yeah.
I hate them. They don't have their brain. इस तरह की बात मैं इससे पहली बात कर रही हूँ, तो आपको मेरे से बात करके कैसा लगा?
Nice. खानदान में कोई तो है जो सोचता है, जिसके पास दिमाग है।
सीखो गाइस, सीखो कुछ मुझसे, मेरे पास दिमाग है ना?
Yes, बहुत बढ़िया दिमाग है।
I follow my religion, I keep my religion here, but I never demean any religion there. I respect them, but I love mine. No, तुम लोग लाइक करना रे मेरा पॉडकास्ट। Okay, as a sibling, which type of person do you want?
Mature, older, but bubbly. Like.
Am I good for you? सीखो रे। सीखो तुम लोग जो
अंदर का बिहारी वापस आ गया।
ये जो मेरे से एल्डर है ना, सारे के सारे, you should be like me, but you failed. Shame on you. Shame on you, elder.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. But we love each other. Okay, good night, guys. Bye. ये तेरे को सिबलिंग बोल।
मजे करने के लिए साथ में।
इसको मजे दिलाती। इसको मजे दिलाती। चलिए बाय गाइस।
Okay, bye.
अपने छोटे भाई बहन को प्यार करिए और खुद भी प्यार से रहिए। ज़्यादा बर्डन लीजिए ना दीजिए, काम से काम रखिए। चलिए गुड नाइट।